Chery.
You are the heart and soul of actually the Chery brand. Without you guys loving your journey with Chery, none of this can happen. Enjoy today. I hope you love your journey today with us and for the rest of your ownership of a Chery car.
We call it BTS, behind the scenes. Yung customer natin, sila mismo yung gagawa ng mga ginagawa ng after sales. Talagang in real life, parts ordering and picking mismo sa warehouse. Quick tips for the unit to understand kung paano dapat chine-check. And that includes yung pagpapalit ng spare tire para makita nila yung whole process.
I've attended several Chery events. This one is different. It offers a different perspective of Chery. Tama yung behind the scenes eh. It speaks not only of the brand, but it speaks of people behind that brand.
Hindi lang yung napapanood sa online, ganun, kundi na-experience nila actually in first hand. Yan. Definitely, na-boost yung confidence ko with the brand.
Tinuturo yung pati yung preventive maintenance at saka yung mga spare parts availability. Kampante ako, safe ako na magpatakbo sa daan.
I was surprised na merong ganitong event. Sabi nga nyo, behind the scenes, di ba? Kung ano nangyayari sa warehouse. Mararamdaman mo talaga eh. Which is, yun yung pinakita nila ngayon na very dedicated talaga sila.
Yung proseso, at least alam mo ngayon na madali yung turnaround time.
Very helpful, educational.
Marami kang pwede sabihin dahil yung experiences sobrang saya.
Chery did an awesome job.
I believe talaga it would boost the confidence ng mga customers natin. They would see how Chery brand is really investing, most especially for the after-sales program. Talagang we're very committed in providing customer satisfaction.
Chery.